Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So this is my series, the Season of the Witch series. So what I've been doing is showing you guys step by step how to make my junky grungy Grammy witches. And this is Winifred, so she's mine. This is my little Winifred here. And I've been showing you guys how to make this little lady here. And you guys have been coming up with names, so that's super fun. So make sure to keep commenting down below. And we'll come with some fun witch names. And if she doesn't get the name, then another witch will. And yeah, so we'll go from there. So what I want to do today is show you guys how to make the hat. So how I make this fun little hat. Okay? And I have a playlist on step-by-step instructions showing you guys how to put together the witch doll. And I will have patterns down below coming soon to my Etsy shop. So I want to get through all the videos first, and then down below I'll have the pattern for you. So you guys can do step-by-step, and do everything. And the playlist will be on the end screen. So I also have my Junky Grungy Grammy dolls with the whole playlist and pattern down below. So the playlist is on the end screen, and then there's a pattern down below. And then my mini grungy, I do little mini dolls too, which are super cute. So I got the play, or actually, I think that's just a video for the mini doll. It's just a quick video showing you how I put it all together. Um, so that'll be on the end screen, and then her patterns down below. And then I also have fun little primitive animals that they hold. So I have a whole patterns for those. I think it's like 7 little animals, different kinds. And of course, a playlist on each one, how to do them. So if you guys want to join this fun little, uh, just making grungy little dolls, come join. Make sure to subscribe. And you never know what else is coming around the corner. We still got Christmas to come, and I mean, just all the fun little holidays. So we'll make little dolls for each one of them. So today, like I said, I want to show you guys how I do the witch's hat. So let's put her to the side, and we'll put her to the side for now. And what I have is just some cotton thread that matches, and it'll be a pattern of just a circle here, and then this is like a cone shape. So you guys will have the pattern to trace everything out, and you'll come up with this. And I do it on felt. So this is just like a thicker kind of felt. And I'll try to post that below in my Amazon links, because I do have a bunch of Amazon link stuff that you guys might want to come check out for the dolls and things. But this is like a thicker little felt. That's what it is. I couldn't think of the word. So it's felt. Okay. And then I just doubled up my thread, tied a knot like that, and just a needle. So you got your circle that you cut out, you got your little cone, and then I like to take the cone and press down the tip, like that, and then you just take the little edges and fold it over about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, whichever. You just fold those in, fold it over. Okay. And then we're just going to put it together. You can see I just folded in the edges and then just line it up. And once I get it lined up at the end here, we can use one of our Wonder Clips just to clip it together, so it stays folded like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start at the top here. Point is all folded in like that. There we go. And then you can just close it off. You can see I'm just going from the outside like that. And just fold that down. And then you just hide the thread on the inside like that. And these are whimsical, so keep in mind that they're whimsical. They do not need to be perfect. They're just about pretty much the process of it, and then just how they turn out is just, your own idea of it, and your creation. So that's the fun part. You do not need to copy exactly what I'm doing. I just give you guys just a guideline on how you know, give you ideas of how you want to do it, or just an idea of doing it. And it does not need to be perfect. And also, I like to put a disclaimer in saying these are not made for children, like little children. They can be choking hazards with the buttons. They're not safety buttons that I put on, um, or anything, like that. And the trinkets, and then plus the little, like on my other grungy Grammy dolls, I got the little safety pins and bulb pins and stuff. So I just like to throw that in there just to let you guys know. And I also have it in my Etsy shop too, written disclaimer, just to play it safe. Because not really made for kids. It's made for big kids like us. And then you can put them on your shelf and admire them, and see your accomplishments here. It's kind of fun. So you can see I'm just kind of gathering it up. And if you want, you could just do a criss. You can do it in black and do a crisscross and have it show if you want. I mean, just however. So I'm just kind of taking it, going on the inside here, catching it, and then catching the other inside like that. Yeah. And then just getting that flap, and then catching the other inside flap. So there we go. So it pretty much hides the stitch. And then if you use the same color, that helps. Okay, we got that. And then I'm going to show you guys how I glue that on there. Okay, so I have my Fiberfix glue, and it's just Sugar Bell, just piping container. And what I do is, see, just take a little glue around the edge. And you just take the rim around, glue it down. Easy as that. And if you guys really wanted to, I think you could just glue I've never tried it, but you could probably just glue this shut instead of sewing it. I think that would work too. Let me know in the comments if you guys try that and it works out. Okay, so I just take it and I glue it. And then you just take your ribbon color that you want and just pop it down, and you could just do a little dab of glue. Maybe line up the back of it, like where you've put it together to the fold back here. And then just do a little dab of glue. And just glue on that little piece. Like, you don't have to glue the whole thing down. You can just pop that like that. There you go. And like I said, it's just supposed to be whimsical and fun and does not need to be perfect. Oh, I mean, look at that. Is that super cute? So you got yourself a little witch's hat. Okay. And what I do is I find out where I want to put it. Her cute little head. So kind of like that. Little tilt to it. And what I do is just take some glue and I glue the brim a little bit. The inside just a little bit. I don't want glue up towards the front because the brim's going to be showing. And then I just take the glued part and just pop it down. And once you put it down, you need to commit. That's the part we got to figure out. Is once you put it down, you commit. Don't take it, put it down, and go, oh, I don't like that, and rip it off because you'll rip all her hair out and everything. So I just take it, hold it for a little bit, get it set in this place. Now you can do hot glue gun with anything that I do. I just, I don't know, hot glue guns for me. I'll do them sometimes, but like instead of the hair here, you have to pretty much commit. But like with other things, like when I go to glue something here and I didn't like it, I could take it off real quick and move it around. And with a hot glue gun, you're pretty much committed right away. Um, and I'm just used to using the Fabrifix glue. I like how it works, and it's really strong, and it's made for the long run here. So there we go. And it's easy as that, guys. Now, if you want, you could glue, your little ribbon down at the front if you're showing like little creases that you don't like or little glue showing. So you could just cover up whatever, any mistakes, or anything you see that you don't like, you could just hide it with your little ribbon. So I think that turned out really cute. And I just wanted to pop on and show you guys how to make the witch's hat. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.